Okay, we're going to be doing a division problem. So we're actually just taking that multiplication problem that we did for our fractions and making it a division problem. And it's going to be very, very similar, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. Okay, so we're going to start by setting our problem with our numerator on the far left-hand side and our denominator on the far right-hand side. So I have 2/3 here, so I'm going to set the 2 of the 2/3 on the far left-hand side, that's the numerator side, and the denominator side is the right-hand side. I'm going to set the 3 there. Now, when I'm dealing with division with fractions, what we want to do is just find the inverse of our divisor, and then we're going to multiply those two fractions. So inverse, or the reciprocal, those two terms can be used, is just flipping the numbers. So it was 6/7 divided by 6/7. Now it's going to be multiplied by 7/6. So in that case, my numerator now is 7, and I'm going to set that on my numerator side of my abacus, skip 2 rods from my previous numerator and set the 7. And then the denominator side is 6. I'm going to skip 2 rods and set my 6 from the right-hand side. Now all I do is that simple multiplication like I did before. So I'm over here on my left-hand side of my abacus. 2 times 7 is 14, so I clear and set 14. And I'm going over to my right-hand side of my abacus. 6 times 3 is 18, so I clear and set 18. And I get my answer here, which is 14/18. Well, I can reduce that a little bit. 14 and 18 are both divisible by 2. So what's 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I can clear this and set 7, clear 14 and set 7. And then 18 divided by 2 is 9. And so I can clear my 18 and set 9. And I've reduced my fraction now and gotten 7/9. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That was a division problem with the abacus and fractions.